So we are in the Blue Zone. For anyone that's been to Disneyland in California will recognise this is very similar to the Nemo ride that they've got there. And it's a nice little addition this, and I'm glad that they've spent some time doing it up, and it looks nice and fresh in here as well, which is good. It's got a nice look of paint. So, wonderful. I've gone to the ride experience, whether it's exactly the same or whether it's going to have slightly a different experience, but we'll find out when we get on the ride. So we are on the ride now. You can see we've gone down and we're under the water. The ride's actually stopped here temporarily. It's cute, this ride, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Real one.
That's cool.
There's the actual fish.
Sending deeper now. And welcome to the deep sea. Lost treasures in the ocean. Anchors are swimming. The water is more white than Atlantic treasure. Even I also never get sharks. Some like to lie around.
These are sharks then, don't they?
Awesome trap. Sharks and lizards live longer than dinosaurs. There's a big one there.
Don't forget about the cow-nosed stingrays. They're pretty cool too. They swim in groups and use their wings to pick up the sand and find hidden food.
Brace yourselves, explorers. We're approaching Atlantis.
Oh, that's cute, isn't it?
See, the crabs are stealing all the...
Yeah, all the money, the treasure.
That's good. It's really good. Well, it should be really. You pay for someone to get in there, and you should go there. What is that? You might see it coming down. Yeah. Looks like a plant. Look, you see it? It's green.
Oh yeah, that's it. Was it meant in real life?
But here, we met it here.
Whoa! That was amazing!
Did you spot our divers out there working hard on protecting all the secrets of the deep sea? Awesome job, team!
Oh, what's this?
Congratulations, explorers! Our mission to discover Atlantis and the treasures of the deep sea has been a success. It's time to head back up.